Hi, it's Renee with Harvest Hill Cottage. Today I'm updating a fireplace. I absolutely adore that old world romantic charm of painted brick. I especially love the look of a German Schmear. German Schmear is simply a thick mortar or joint compound that was literally smeared into the joints of the brick, and then a trowel was used to sort of smear the paint or the compound over the rest of the brick, and it just created a beautiful, beautiful look. Authentic German Schmear is pretty labor intensive and can be really messy. So I wanted to achieve the look of the German Schmear without all of the work and the mess. And so that's what I did on my dining room fireplace. This video is actually part of a larger series that we're doing as we decorate our entire house, room by room, cottage style. I'll link the full dining room reveal below in the description box so that you can access that. And if you like this sort of thing, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can see more as we decorate our home room by room. So I really just did a heavy dry brush. I was sure to paint into the grout, and then I just sort of dry brushed along the face of the brick. And some I painted a little heavier than others because I really wanted to have an old world look about the brick. I love the way the brick turned out, but I did decide that the fireplace needed a mantel. So if you hang in there for a few more minutes, you'll see we added a mantel and we went ahead and staged it up, and I am loving it. So if you like home decor, DIY, vintage, thrifting, and especially cottage style decor, go ahead and subscribe so that you can hang out with us and see more of what you saw today. We're really grateful for your viewing and for your subscriptions. Thanks so much for hanging out. Take care and God bless.